To you who have lost the meaning of life. I wasn't born because I wanted to be. Everyone around me always says one thing: hang in there. You can still do it. But they don't understand how painful it has been. From the start, they never even tried to understand. They say good things will come if you just live, that there are people suffering more than you. You're already tired of it, right? You're never included in those who are suffering. The only thing directed toward me today is, hang in there, hang in there. Like a chant. Good job, they say. How much longer until I can stop? How much longer until the pain goes away? How much longer must I live just to be accepted? I just wanted to be acknowledged. I pretended to be calm, acting like nothing was wrong. I'm not okay, but that's all I could do. I searched for something to hold on to. Even when I reach out, there's nothing to grab. All that remains is emptiness. It's been tough, right? Just going outside was an achievement. You've tried so hard, right? You just never said it. You've been enduring it alone. You've been lonely, right? It's been painful, right? You've been pretending to be okay when it wasn't okay. You've always been at your limit. But today, you tried again. How was today for you? Tonight, you'll probably feel anxious. It's scary to close your eyes. But you're not alone. I'm here, right here. When things are tough, it's okay to say, it's tough. You can go now, it's okay. You've lived enough already. So don't try anymore. Thank you for living until today.